Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the while loop. The while loop is very similar to the for loop. In the previous video, we discussed how the for loop has 3 sections. However, a while loop only has one, the condition that determines whether the loop's continuous running. Okay, so how to write a while loop? To write a while loop, we start with the while keyword and followed by parentheses, which contain the loop condition. And after that, we use curly braces to define the loop scope. That's it. I have just created a while loop. Pretty simple, right? And next, let's take the example we used in the for loop video and rewrite it using a while loop. There's something important to note here. Unlike a for loop, where the increment happens inside the loop structure, in the while loop, we have to manually increment variable inside the loop. If we forget to increment variable I, the loop will become an infinite loop, meaning the program will get stuck and never exits. Okay, let's run this and check the output. And in some cases, we might intentionally write a while loop with the condition set to true, making it a deliberate infinite loop, for example like this. Why would we do this? This is useful for programs that need to run continuously, like waiting for user input or handling background tasks. Or instead of relying on a single condition to access, we manually design multiple access conditions inside the loop. However, be careful when designing access conditions. If they aren't properly handled, the program could enter an infinite loop that does nothing, wasting system resources. Okay, in this video, we introduced the while loop, how it works, and how it differs from a for loop. Next, we will explore more loop structures. See you in the next video.